Morning. So it's our last day in Dalat today before we go back to Ho Chi Minh tomorrow. So we've decided to go and do a little bit of sightseeing. There's two outdoorsy things. We're going to do a hike up a mountain, highest peak in the area, which sounds fun. But before we do that, I don't know what you really call it. You'll see. So yeah.
You don't want to spoil the fun.
Yeah, that's definitely why. First we've got to rent a moped and probably get Demma some food and me a coffee. So let's get to it.
And it's cold today.
It's not cold. It's boiling hot.
Bye, Mike.
Just stopped at a cute little cafe to have a spot of breakfast. We'll show you it. You can see why they call it La Forest. Oh! Anywhere you want, Nick. Wow. So as we're walking to get the moped, some random guy pulls up on a bike and offers us a moped. Oh, she's off. So I was like, well, how much? And it was the same price as where we were going. And he's like, yeah, just jump on my motorbike and I'll take you. So I thought, fuck it, why not? Save the walk. That was delicious. Best English breakfast we've had. Proper sausages, actually, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was delicious.
The proper pork sausages, not too much seasoning.
And the mushroom. Oh,
the mushrooms, great. Very nice, very nice. And we are here.
we made it.
We made it. Another successful trip.
Done by Michael Dow.
Loads of shit to do. They got like a Go Ape thingy. Waterfall. This is like a what would you call that, babe?
Toboggan.
Like a toboggan, yeah. They call it roller coaster online. Cool. Oh, look at this guy. So they've obviously turned this into like an outdoorsy place, so you can do like, they call them roller coasters. They've got high-rise ropes, they've got a really long zip wire. We're not going to do the zip wire because it's expensive. It's like £33 per person. Demma wouldn't really enjoy it anyway. Same with the ropes, it's like £15. If Demma was interested in that sort of thing, I might think about doing it. It's not too expensive, depending on how long the course is. But Demma doesn't really like. I don't think she'd enjoy it. Do you know what I mean? I don't know whether she's like not a massive fan of heights, so I'm not going to put her through that. So probably just have a walk around up to the waterfall, then maybe get the roller coaster back. Hopefully, I can talk her into that. But yeah, it's pretty. Found a waterfall. There she is. Oh, okay, it's quite responsive.
Oh fuck. I hate roller coasters. Oh shit. Shit. Oh, I hate roller coasters.
Look at her.
Oh.
Enjoy the ride. Have a great day at the Dinosaur Waterfalls.
What the fuck?
Michael!
So you do enjoy it. It's just getting on that you don't enjoy.
I'm not excited for that. Oh!
Now lean back. Now lean back.
Oh fuck! Oh my god, I'm gonna fall out of the cunt.
You got a seatbelt on and I'm fucking right behind you. How are you gonna fall
Oh
out?
my god!
Look at that to the left. So that was fun. Obviously we had these slow cunts in front of us. Hopefully on the way back we can go a lot faster.
Oh, not good. You could do it, baby. Why did they do that? Why did they do that?
I think that's a male dinosaur.
Round 2. Oh my fucking god! Jesus!
Jesus can't save you, he's dead.
Oh my god, okay.
Almost there. Na 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 na.
Oh fuck! Fuck! This is why I don't come on rides.
That scream.
Oh god, another hill!
So we got some photos for us on the roller coaster. Look at this. All right, first one.
It's a nice photo.
Yeah, it's nice. Second one.
Look at Michael's face.
So unfortunately, the hike up the big hill that I wanted to go to is 2 to 3 hours each way. We've left it a little bit too late. In fact, one of the reviews says don't go after 2 p.m. So we're not going to be able to do that, unfortunately.
What up, dog?
What up, dog? We stopped for lunch at a local's place. Look at this feast. Come on. Pork belly, some form of pork with egg, omelette, chicken. Come on. So we had a little ride around, had lunch like we showed you. Now we just come back into town. We're probably going to maybe look for some shoes for them. We saw this place, we thought we'd stop because it looks interesting.
It's quite interesting.
It's very interesting. I think it's just a cafe.
Yeah, that is.
Nice view though. It's a shopping mall underground.
They can hide it away from tourists?
Yeah.
No, you cannot.
Find everything. Demma ordered a naan bread with her curry. What the fuck?
Why did I get another pot of curry?
It's massive. So we just took the bike back and then we went to the gym. Demma came to the gym.
I came to the gym. I did a little leg workout.
Little leg workout.
A little one.
Just a little one. But yeah, then we went for Indian, as you just saw. Demma got the biggest naan bread I've ever seen in my life. So
Look at the baby.
it's like the size of your torso. Now we're going to go back and settle because I'm going to get up early tomorrow and go to the gym before the bus, and Demma's going to pack. So yeah, early night, and then back to Saigon tomorrow.